So have you ever noticed that while you're browsing on your Facebook business page, you discover a new feature that you really haven't noticed before and start wondering, was that feature really there before? In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the hidden features you can find within your Facebook business page that you can actually benefit from to grow your Facebook page. As usual, click the subscribe and bell icon so you can get notified when awesome videos like these go live. So with 8 years of digital marketing experience, Facebook is really where it all started for me. In 2011, I started using Facebook, the Facebook business page, to grow an account, and I got massive results for that account. One of the reasons why it was such a massive result was because I was able to use the features within the Facebook business page to stand out from the crowd. That's why I believe in this video it's perfect for anyone who is trying to grow a Facebook business page and in general is trying to grow their business. Now I want you to follow along on my computer so you can know exactly where you can find the features within your Facebook business page. When someone lands on your Facebook business page and actually likes a post but hasn't yet liked your business page, you can now invite them and tell them, hey, come like this page, and Facebook will invite the person for you on your behalf when you click invite. Let me show you how. So when you would like to invite your friends to your Facebook business page, you can click the invite friends button, or you can go onto the post within your Facebook business page and go to the likes section and click invite. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So you click the likes, and then you can see all the people who like the post. And what you do is you just search for the people who have the invite button appearing, and you click it and you would have invited them. Another feature that is there, but I think a lot of people really miss, is the carousel post feature. So let me show you how you can actually do that. So you basically go onto your Facebook business page and you scroll down to this section right here and you write out your post and you do all the nice things. Now, the concept behind this being hidden is because a lot of people come in this section, they write out their post really quickly, they click photo if they have a photo, and they just post it. So usually when you're in a rush, you don't scroll down, so you only see the upload photos and video section, or you see create album depending on how big your screen is. So if you scroll back down even further, you can see that you can create a photo carousel, create a slideshow, and even create an instant experience. So for this video, I want to show you how to create a photo carousel. So when you click it, it will request of you to enter in a URL. Now, this will not work if your website doesn't have several images. If it does have several images, it will appear like this. You enter in the link, which is Melissa Griffin's podcast. She's amazing in Pinterest. If you are interested in Pinterest, she's your girl. You click the arrow key, and then the pictures that are on the website will appear here, all with the same link that I just posted. Now, you can also use the photo carousel if you don't have that many images, if you only have one. When you're back in the carousel, if you don't have that many images, it will appear like this. This is Amy Porterfield's podcast. She's also amazing. You should go listen to her podcast immediately. And you can click the arrow key. Now, these are the images that appear, and they are based on the images that you have on your website. If you're stuck here, talk to your technical person to actually figure out how to get more images into the list. So now you have different pictures appearing on your carousel. You can also add in different URLs for each image. Let's just see how we're going to do that. So let's say I want to create separate links for each one. I can go back in here and click edit URL destination, and let's say let's pretend this is going to be the right one. I click confirm, and this will go to the link that has a 1 at the end. So that way, you'll be able to take a person from your website into specific parts of your website so that they can have a higher exposure to your brand and have even more content to actually go through. Now, if you're liking this video so far, comment below and let me know what is your biggest takeaway. Now, if you want hidden features for the Facebook ads section, hit the like button so that I can know that you want to see a hidden features for Facebook ads video on my YouTube channel. Another feature that I love but very few people use is the section in the Facebook Insights for pages to watch. Let's go into details about this point. In this section, you will be able to see the pages that you can watch here at the bottom of the actual part. So here, this is my Socialize that web page, and I can just click add pages, and I will be able to click here and put up to 5 or more pages to watch here. Say I want to track Amy Porterfield's page. Let's say I want to track Marie Forleo. Of course, I'm not in their league, but one day I will be. And you'll be able to see the details of the pages. Now you have to put at least 5. I can just look at the statistics. This is how many likes they got this week. So Forbes, that already has 5 million or almost 6 million likes, has gotten 2,500 something likes. Marie Forleo has got 749, Amy Porterfield 400, Melissa 65, Sunny 131. And for my page, I only have 2 because I really haven't been using Facebook the way it should be. And I'm going to be starting soon to actually up my game on Facebook because this is where it all started. Now, once I click done, this is what's going to appear. So right now I can see the total page likes here. I can see the likes, the increase in percentage of likes from the last week, the number of posts that are posted during the week, and the engagement. So as you can see here, if I wanted to be a competitor to Ford, they currently post 250 plus posts. Now, this doesn't mean that you should be posting this many times. It gives you a benchmark on how you can see how you're doing in comparison to your competitor. This, for me, as a small digital marketing page, is a bad choice because I don't have 5 million followers. I don't have this many posts. I don't have an engaged audience. So what I need to pay attention to is that these people are amazing and they are in my industry, but they're not my direct competitor. I need to actually put pages that make sense so that the content here would make sense for me to compare myself to. Or else I'll be looking at myself and saying, oh my God, my engagement is only 130 and they have like thousands. And I'd get depressed and get off Facebook. See what I mean? Pay attention to the pages you choose and add them based on what you like. And you can see the top post for that competitor so that I can do my content research, I can do my content creation and see what's working best for this giant in my industry. So Facebook shows me these posts by order of the toppest posts according to their algorithm. Amy's top post for this week is this video, and the second best is this video, and then it's a picture of her. So for me, if I was trying to be a brand that resembles Amy Porterfield, or if my audience is very much alike like Amy Porterfield's audience, I would create more videos because the top 2 videos are what my ideal audience would actually like. And then even in a more specific frame, this video is live, if you guys can see here. So that means that she got the highest engagement and the highest reach on Facebook because it was live. Now, if I go back to another page, let's say we're going into Sunny. Sunny's highest post is, a picture and a comment. So if we see here, she has 28 likes, 7 comments, 1 share. If we go into Amy Porterfield live, she has 261 likes, 870 comments, 11 shares. So you can see that the Facebook Live has done way better than a picture, just because on Facebook Lives, you usually ask the person to comment, to like, to so on.
So when I usually work with a client and they want to show me a post that they previously posted, or they want to find their best performing post, they usually go through the entire feed to find the post. Now there is an easier way to do that on your Facebook business page. Let me show you how.
So for you to be able to search for a post that you've already posted onto your Facebook business page, you need to go over onto your Facebook business page and then you click posts right here. And then on the right-hand side, there's a search bar where you can search for posts on this page. Let's say the most recent post, which I talked about my neighbor, and I can just click neighbor and only one post appears. So that way I can see this post and go into the details to see how much engagement it got and whatnot. Now you also have this feature on all business pages. So this is Sunny Leonarduzzi again. You can go into the posts and you can just search for whatever you want. She has an accelerated program and there it is. And you see everything that has to do with accelerator in the posts if you're looking for a certain post that you've missed.
So these are the features that you can look forward to using on your Facebook business page. Now, you might think that Facebook is no longer working as in terms of organic reach. There's a couple of videos on my YouTube channel that you can watch that help you increase your organic reach. If you want, just go into my YouTube channel and go into the playlist. There's a Facebook playlist there, and you can learn exactly how to do that. Now, if you like this video and you're interested in Facebook in specific, next week I'm going to show you how you can actually follow your customer wherever they go on the internet through a Facebook pixel. Bye for now. I'll see you in next week's video.